Good morning. Today we will talk about Module 4, Part 2 with title Police Patrol Essence. Now, what is the importance of police patrol in the police service? Patrol function is important for the following reasons. First, it is the foundation of police function. Basically, when the police was created way back in 1829, the very intention of it was to create a patrol unit to police the entire streets of London in order to prevent crimes. Secondly, patrol is the most visible police force. Now, patrol as the most visible police force, it is defined as a team dispatched from a police unit purposely to maintain peace and order and public safety in a designated place or a beat. Through their presence in the community, in the folds of the community, police patrol force prevented crimes. Through their presence, remember, they develop two things in the community. First, they develop a feeling of security on the law-abiding citizen, and secondly, they develop fear of apprehension on the lawless individuals or the would-be criminals. Another thing, police patrol is the only form of police service which directly attempts to eliminate the opportunity of an individual to commit crime or misconduct. Through the presence of these uniformed patrol officers in the folds of the community, they actually have created an impact which prevented an individual from committing crimes. Thirdly, patrol is the operational heart of the police organization. Now, when you say operational heart, almost all of the functions of the police organization relies on patrol. Why? Patrol generally could perform all other functions of the police organization, which later we will talk about. Then, patrol is the backbone of the police organization. You can eliminate all other functions of the police organization, but never patrol. Remember, when police organization was created in 1829, it is the very intention of it is to patrol the streets of London to prevent crimes. Now, what are the police functions as provided under Republic Act 6975? The PNP functions are as follows: law enforcement, maintain peace and order, prevent and investigate crimes and bring offenders to justice, exercise the vested powers from the Philippine Constitution and pertaining laws, detain an arrested person for a period not beyond what is prescribed by law, implement pertaining laws and regulations on firearms and explosives, supervise and control the training and operation of security guards. Now, looking at the functions of the police force, generally, patrol could perform almost all of these functions. No? Okay? Being a backbone of any police organization, patrol is the key in promoting crime prevention operation, as well as improving our police images and proficiency. So it is important that those people assigned in the field to patrol the street should carry with them uh, the integrity and commitment of a police officer. No? Secondly, it performs the initial response in almost all requests for police service. That is ranging from a call for domestic violence or domestic quarrel up to response to investigate crimes. Third, maintain visibility and a sense of omnipresence to deter would-be lawbreakers and instill feeling of comfort and security among members of the community. Having uniformed police officers in the folds of the community actually created a big impact to the members of the society. Now, what are the patrol goals and objectives? Now, we will talk about the three major goals and objectives as part of our discussion. The patrol goals and objectives are as follows: crime prevention, criminal apprehension, traffic enforcement, law enforcement, order maintenance, and public services. First, we will talk about crime prevention. Crime prevention is the anticipation, recognition, and appraisal of crime risks and the initiation of positive action to remove or reduce risks. So, crime prevention basically is the core mission of the police force. So, through this so-called presence of police patrol officers, it developed feeling of security on the law-abiding citizens while fear of apprehension on the would-be criminals. In crime prevention, there is what we call a direct impact on the so-called the elements of crime. In crime, there is what we call the ability, the desire, and the opportunity. Now, what the police patrol do is eliminate or reduce the desire or the opportunity of an individual to commit misconduct. The police patrol can do is to reduce or eliminate the desire, the opportunity or the desire of an individual by seeing people or by being visible in the eyes of the members of the community. Criminal apprehension. Now, this occurs when, despite the efforts of preventing crime, still violation occurs. So, the action of the police is to arrest the offenders, to identify, locate, and apprehend the person. So, remember, arrest is an inherent police power. Law enforcement. The basic responsibility of the police is to enforce the law. So as a result of this is the potential impact upon community. It will develop two things, positive and negative impact. Positive in a sense that community will feel more secure for seeing that the criminals are taken away from them. Negative on the part of the uh, criminals or those people who feel that their rights are violated. But basically, if the police will just do their role and enforce the law based on the provisions of the nature of their job, then there will be no problem. So, law enforcement influences the quality of life in the community. So, for when you say the effects of it is negative, it's actually a product of the abusive, no, enforcement of the law. Thank you. That's all.